So hello everyone. I hope guys your preparation for the SEBI current affair examination is going on really well. ठीक है? तो guys just a few days back I have asked you that we are planning to launch a SEBI current affair booster and what will be your suggestions. So I am really glad to see the suggestions that were made by you. So we have tried to incorporate those suggestions and based on those suggestions we are planning to launch. We have launched the SEBI current affair booster. ठीक है जी? And it will be, this booster is not only important for your GA, it is also important for your paper 1, paper 2 as well as for your phase 1 and phase 2. क्यों इंपॉर्टेंट है, किस तरह इंपॉर्टेंट है, दैट आई विल डिस्कस इन टूडेज सेशन विद यू. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा इंट्रोडक्शन में इसको डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. बिफोर प्रोसीडिंग गाइस, यू कैन सब्सक्राइब टू अवर यूट्यूब चैनल सो दैट यू कैन गेट ऑल द लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स. Then you can also subscribe to the Telegram channel to get the access of the PDF of the SEBI current affair booster also, as well as for the other things that we are providing to you. Now guys, let's talk about the SEBI current affair booster. So first of all, the most important thing is the timeline of the SEBI current affair booster. So we have covered the SEBI current affair booster from the past 6 months. That is from August 2021 to January 2022. The second important thing, when I talk about that it is important for your phase 1 and phase 2 examination, then what does it include which is relevant also for your phase 2 examination? So this includes all your finance current affairs guys that are related to SEBI. ठीक है, SEBI के तो बहुत ही important है because SEBI examination. So SEBI, RBI, PFRDA, IRDAI, Ministry of Finance related finance news as well as important bills that are related to finance प्लस अदर इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स दैट आर फ्रॉम जीए एप्स, कोई भी चीज है जो कि पेपर 1 के लिए भी इंपॉर्टेंट है, दैट आर कवर्ड हियर. देन अलोंग विद दैट वी हैव आल्सो प्रोवाइडेड यू द आरबीआई नोटिफिकेशंस व्हिच आल्सो प्लेस अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. सो ये तो हो गया व्हाट वी आर प्लानिंग, व्हाट वी आर गिविंग टू यू. बट व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट इन द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द लेक्चर दैट इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर योर फेज 2 एग्जामिनेशन आल्सो. फॉर दैट पर्पस लेट अस डिस्कस इट्स इंपॉर्टेंस फॉर फेज 2 एज वेल एज फॉर पेपर 2. ठीक है, जीए में तो ये सब कुछ आएगा ही, तो पेपर 2 में कैसे हेल्प करेगा. फॉर दैट पर्पस गाइस, फ्रॉम द नोटिफिकेशन ऑफ सेबी आई हैव ब्रॉट विद यू द सिलेबस ऑफ फाइनेंस. तो यहाँ पे 2 पॉइंट्स आपको याद रखने जो जहां से हमें आइडिया लग जाता है दैट दे विल बी आस्किंग क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम रीसेंट डेवलपमेंट इन फाइनेंशियल सेक्टर आल्सो. सो व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट प्राइमरी एंड सेकेंडरी मार्केट, हियर दिस इज द रीसेंट डेवलपमेंट in the primary and secondary market, the questions can be asked, which means the questions of SEBI can be asked in your paper 2 examination. Along with that, the very important thing, in general topics they have mentioned that recent development in the financial sector is really important, which means that जो भी चीजें, that the things that I have discussed with you, the finance current affairs, they will play a really important role in your paper 2 also. So that is why this current affair booster which will boost your preparation both for paper 1 as well as paper 2. तो ये चीजों का ध्यान रखना है. ठीक है, तो आपके दोनों ही पेपर्स को हमने बैलेंस किया है इस SEBI current affair booster में. Then guys, the very important thing is now how you can get the access of this SEBI current affair booster. For that guys, what you have to do is you have to subscribe to the Telegram channel and the link of the PDF of the SEBI current affair booster I have also placed here. So this has been shared yesterday. ठीक है, yesterday at 5 PM. If you have subscribed to our Telegram channel, तो वहां पे आपको 5 PM पे SEBI GA ग्रेड ए करंट अफेयर बूस्टर के नाम से आपको मैगजीन मिल जाएगी. ठीक है, देन गर्ल्स अगर आपने नहीं सब्सक्राइब किया, डोंट वरी, यू विल गेट द एक्सेस ऑफ द PDF below this lecture. ठीक है, you can get the access of the PDF from there also. Now for those students who have subscribed to the course guys, don't worry, in your course also wherever the current affair magazines are being posted, there a new section by the name of SEBI current affair booster has been created in which you will get the PDF of this SEBI grade A current affair booster. So which means the preparation will not only boost your GA section of 20 marks, but it will also help you in boosting your preparation for paper 2 as well as for phase 2 examination. So guys, this is all about the SEBI current affair booster. Your suggestions play a really important role. ठीक है, so thanks for that. ठीक है जी, so wishing you all the best for your examination. Then guys, also if you have any kind of query, ठीक है, you can drop us an email. Our email ID is hello@edutab.co.in. If you want to have an interaction with us on any matter, you can drop a call. That is at our number 81462 07241. So guys, wish you all the best. Bye bye and rock the examination.